What's up, guys? It's Messiah Boss here, and today I'm playing Black Ops 2 Free for All, and I hope you guys enjoy this video, and let's get started. Okay, I need to be aware of my surroundings, because I am not confident I will win. Okay, apparently, oh, no one has showed up except for that guy. Dang it! I missed almost all of the shots. Hey, shotgunning is my thing. Get back here. No. I got like 3 shotgun shots on him. This doesn't even make sense. I suck. We can catch up. We can catch up though. Get back. Thank you. I was like trapped in that little window there. I shouldn't have switched to my shotgun. Okay, he's gonna try and get me with the pistol. Let's see how that's no, that didn't really work out. Huh? No! Oh my gosh. No more shock charges, please, no. I need to switch my weapon. I need to reload. Quick. Quick, please. Thank you. Thank you. Oh my gosh, I'm actually really close to my care package. Who just shot that? Ah, I could have gone that guy and got my care package. Someone killed that guy up on the window.
Care package on standby.
Yes, I got the care package. I just need the sentry gun.
Lightning strike on standby.
There we go. Now I'm happy. Nope. Please no. I don't want to die yet, and I'm out of ammo for my M8, so that isn't good at all. Okay, where is everybody? They're not showing up. Oh, I thought that guy was actually gonna get me though.
Hostiles have destroyed your sentry gun.
I think we should use that lightning strike. Yeah, let's use that lightning strike.
Viking 1-2 is wheeled up over.
Okay, well, my aiming with the lightning strike wasn't good at all. I only got 1 kill with that thing.
Care package on standby.
Okay, I got another care package. I'm gonna hide over
Care
here.
package inbound.
Please! Oh my gosh, no! Can you not? I'm trying to get my care package. Okay, you know what? They can have the care package. I don't even like them. Oh, it's just an RCXD. We can live without that. We can live without that. Nope. I really like Jay Fishy's emblem, though. I actually really like it. Let's hope that train doesn't kill me. Who just threw that? Him. Sorry. Got in the middle of the gunfight. No! Dang. I got killed by that, man. Get back! Thank you. Like, he almost got out of my sights for a second. What? Get back! Thank you. Thank you very much. These snipers are just murking me. Most of my deaths are from, I think all my deaths are actually from snipers. Actually, for the last kill, let's try using a sniper. Yeah, there we go.
Be advised, hostile RCXD spotted.
Oh, I see him. There we go. 30 and 8. I actually did better than I thought that I would, but it's probably because I used a shotgun and the M18, whatever that gun was called. Okay, and that shotgun. Yeah, it's kind of noob, but I'm just glad I won. And Jay Fishy sent me a message, but I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please like, comment, share this with friends, and subscribe. And I gotta go and read Jay Fishy's message, and I'll see you guys later. Bye!